Do you want to live in an exclusive high-end subdivision, but you don't want to buy overpriced property? Well, this one might just be the one for you. Right, so when you look at the house from the street, you have trees surrounding it. So it perfectly frames the house itself. Now you have a manual gate over here on the right, and then your pedestrian gate here in the middle, and then wall lang dito sa left, but you do have a garden. Medyo bata pa kasi yung mga halaman, kaya maliliit pa. There's still saplings. And then beyond the wall, you have a large garden here in the corner. So it's up to you what you want to do with that. Ang maganda lang dyan, you already have a tree and saplings planted all around. Kasi yun nga, it's beautiful grass. And you can landscape that. Yeah, it's major landscaping potential. Over here on the right side, you have a 2-vehicle carport beyond the manual gate. And then you have a pathway here on the right as well that will lead you to your service area as well as your backyard. Actually, ang laki nyo. Medyo kakaiba yung shape nung lot, which enables it to have wider areas like this one. So that's really convenient. And then, pasok tayo sa main entrance. So over here, we have a standard wooden door with a vertical matte black handle. And when you enter, you have immediately high ceiling. So this is clearly your living area. And what's cute is you already have this sort of bay under the stairs. Well, it's not a bay kasi walang bintana, but you have this ledge where you can put your decorative items. You can even sit on it. Tapos may mga cubby holes dito for, again, decor or books. You can use it as a bookshelf. More shelving over here, and then storage underneath. And soft close ba? Soft close. From your living area, you have a sliding door that will lead you back out into the garden here at the corner of your property. So may konting pathway pa. So it's up to you na kung anong gagawin mo dyan. Sara natin yung screen. Yan, para pumasok yung hangin. Then from here, you can see your main stairs. And then in front of that, we have 2 doors. So this room, you can use as an entertainment room. Sakto, di ba, meron ng naka-built-in na entertainment shelf. Diyan rin yung outlet and what have you, and then storage down below. You have a beautiful chandelier in the middle. Lighting fixture. And you have windows that face the 2-vehicle carport. You could turn this into a guest bedroom if you wanted, although since it doesn't have an ensuite, might be better as an entertainment room / office. However, right next to it, meron namang toilet and bath. So you have your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. You also have that nice, what do you call this, accent wall behind the toilet. Just make it look fun. And then behind the main stairs, you have your dining and your kitchen. Also under the stairs, you have shelving. Actually, hindi ako sure kung pang shoes siya. Kasi pwede naman. But generally, lahat ito, storage. And then this portion is for your dining table. As made clear by the chandelier. So more or less, 6-seater table yung kasya dito. And then from here, again, you have sliding doors that lead back out to your garden, which has a tiled portion para sa outdoor seating nyo. So it could act as your lanai, but it isn't covered. It's just partially covered, but mostly not covered. And then on the other side, you have the kitchen. So your kitchen is a U-shaped countertop. You have a bar on this side, waterfall countertop here that flows all the way to the other end where your refrigerator is going to be. You have your built-in stove as well as your oven, and then your sink facing the window. And then you have these geometric shelving right here for, again, your decor. Pero madami naman storage, overhead and under the counter. Then right next to your kitchen, you have a pantry, complete with all of the built-in shelves. And then on this side, you have the staff quarters. So you have this much space. You have lots of natural light coming in from this window. And then you have your built-in wardrobe over here, as well as an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower space. It's actually quite spacious. Tsaka maganda yung floor, ha? Ito yung tipong madali linisin eh. I love it. Lahat, pati yung walls madali linisin. Siya yung tipong tile na hindi madulas, pero yun nga, madali pa rin linisin. Nakatakot kasi iba pag sobrang dulas eh, di ba? Okay, so let's head out this door, kung pwede. Interested in enlisting your property with us? Make sure you go to our website at www.presello.com or call this number right here. And this is gonna lead you back out to the side of the property, which, as I mentioned earlier, is where your service area is, or daily kitchen, na outdoor. So you have your built-in sink, you have some storage underneath, although, tama, storage underneath. And then this is your provision for your laundry area. As you might have noticed though, it's very exposed. So it's up to you if you want to put an awning over your washing machines para hindi siya maulanan. So, pero ang maganda, itong area na to, this literal corner, actually, if you stand here, it's a V shape talaga. And you can see the planter box lines. It's not a typical shape, right? Maganda lang dito, it's nice and hidden, lots of area to actually hang your laundry. And not every house actually has that luxury, but this does. Kasi tago siya, yung madaming space, madaming area, madaming, hindi siya tago, maarawan talaga yung laundry mo, which is great. And then the outdoor units for your AC is on this side as well, for easy maintenance, while not being an eyesore. Okay, so that is it for the ground floor. Yeah, just checking. Ganda ng pagsara. That's it for the ground floor. Let's now head up the second. But before we do, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. We also have 3D layouts of this house. Can you believe it? So make sure you head on over to our website to check that out. And also we have other listings with those 3D layouts. So again, that's www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. So we have tempered glass over here, and then the handrail itself is solid wood. Okay, so we have a hallway. Unahin natin dito. Okay, let's pick the one at the end of the hallway. And this is bedroom number 2. I'm gonna count the one on the ground floor. So here you have this much space. You do have high ceiling actually, and it's very echoey kasi wala pa namang furniture na nakalagay and everything is a hard surface. So I'm sorry for that. But you do have a built-in over here for all of your closet needs with very minimalist hand or finger holds so that you can open them. You have windows on this side, and then on this side you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. Ang cute. So wala siyang nook for your products, pero meron siyang ledge. Pwede mong patong yung mga shampoo and soap and other products mo dun. And then you have a medicine cabinet in front of the sink. Oops, sorry. Mari-reveal na naman si John. So it's good that that's already built in. And then across this one, but not perfectly across, medyo a little to the left, we have bedroom number 3. Okay, so much like the lot itself, this room is differently shaped. It's more of a, wait lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5, ano nga ba yung pentagon? It's a pentagon na hindi pantay. Tama ba? Pag pentagon ba kailangan equal 5 equal sides? Comment down below, I've forgotten my geometry. Okay, so but anyway, you have your built-in wardrobe over here, a shelf over here, medyo nakatago siya, cute. And then windows on 2 sides, or 2 walls. And then over here is where your ensuite toilet and bath is, with your toilet, your enclosed shower space, and your sink. And again, you have the medicine cabinet with some shelving. So at least you can have your products nice and neat in the comfort room. And then finally, hey there, loyal Presello fam! If you're eager for some more unique and exciting content from the team, then why don't you move in with us in our membership channel? Not only do you get exclusive perks by joining the membership channel, but you also get to hang out with the rest of the team. That's right. So you have 3 tiers. Now let me just get my cheat sheet so I can tell you guys all about it. So you have Presello fam, where you'll get loyalty badges, exclusive emojis, and priority reply to comments. You have Presello team, which will get you all of that, plus members-only chats and members shout-outs. And you have Presello fam, which again have all of the previously mentioned, as well as members-only streams and exclusive members-only videos. In this hallway, we have the final door, which is clearly going to be the master bedroom. But before we go there, there's this area na may outlet pa nga actually. So, off of the top of my head, ang ganda ko may Christmas tree dito. But if we were to be practical, it's a little office. So kahit siguro may table dito with a few computers or your PC, that would be nice. Kung talagang simpleng home office lang ha, not the gaming setup or anything. Okay, so this is bedroom number 4, aka the master bedroom. So you have a lot of space. You have that chandelier. You have your built-ins over here for your entertainment. So clearly, ima-mount nyo na lang yung flat screen TV nyo dito. Naka-ready naman na. Pati yung outlet nandiyan na. And then you have an accent wall that's a parang forest green. So hopefully that translates in the video. It's not the same green as trees, which by the way are the views on all of the windows. So that's really, really nice. So it's medyo mas blue-green tuloy ito compared to the trees. And then in this section of the room, you have just storage. Like these 2 walls are just wardrobe. And then on this side, you have a vanity. Again, of course, with storage and a mirror. And then over here, you have the ensuite, toilet and bath, with your sink, lots of counter space, an even bigger medicine cabinet, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. And again, it has a ledge for your products. But on the other side naman of the shower controls. Okay, it's a very pleasant layout. Very straightforward. And then when you go out of your rooms dito sa 2nd floor, you have a view of your neighborhood na again, puro puno, because you are, after all, in Ayala Alabang village. Okay, so that's been it. It's now time for a recap. But first, make sure you check out these tranquil B-rolls. So you have 315 square meters of lot area and then 396 square meters of floor area spread between 2 levels. You have 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, and then a 2-vehicle carport and a garden here on this side. You have staff quarters, you have a service area na hindi covered. Pero again, it's up to you if you want to put an awning over that one. And yeah, you are in Ayala Alabang village. Frankly, ang ganda ng neighborhood, as you guys might know. And if you don't, you should. Kasi puro puno, it's very quiet and it's very exclusive. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a place like this, make sure you send this video to them. Or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message. Or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?